Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to May's Budget with me. This is how I budget my 42k salary living in London. I have just fully qualified for my SEMA. I don't know if I told YouTube that yet. Would love to be a stay-at-home mum, can't afford it. Would love even more to be a content creator that actually gets paid. I'm currently making around 30 quid a month over on TikTok. But if you want to help me on my journey to become a content creator, please like, subscribe, comment, you know. I'm at around 11.6k followers over on TikTok, and I have just been approached for my first sponsored post on TikTok. I had previously done 2 sponsored posts on Instagram when I had like 2k followers on Insta, and I made like £90 per post. For TikTok, I've done my research. I think I should be charging around £500 a video, and I did negotiate with the brand for a video plus some licensing for them to run an ad. Again, if that comes through, I probably can't talk about it exactly, but you'll see it in budget updates and income updates as things happen. In other news, I got stung with a 6 grand legal bill. I tried to jump on the TikTok trend of like help me pay off my debt, and I tried to blow up this video. I've got like 10k views, and I calculated that I would need 9.5 million views to raise the 6k to pay off my legal bills. I haven't done anything wrong, but I told TikTok if I hit the 9 million, I will tell everyone what they're for. I think at this rate, even if I hit 1 million views on TikTok, I would tell everyone what they're for, but yeah. So hopefully that's all my bad luck for this year. Let's just move on to bigger and better things, and let's budget my salary for the month. So I've rolled forward from April and I have zeroed out for May. These are the figures from last month, so let's go in and update them. Straight off the bat, I'm going to receive more than £2,480 this month. I'm receiving £2,690. This is because when I qualified for SEMA, I paid my dues and I submitted them as an expense, so I put them on my credit card and work are reimbursing me. So first fixed expense are my rent and bills. I put £1,250 into the joint account. I realise I haven't broken this down in a while, so for any new viewers, I will show you. This is my sample bills. 1,250 is genuinely my half. For a while over maternity, I was putting in much less, sometimes zero, but now I'm back making money again. Nick and I split it 50-50. Our rent is £2,000, as I previously touched on. Our water is 37, electric and gas 161, internet is 27, and our council tax is 222. Our council tax is 222 on the 10-month payment thing, but I just plan for this and then hopefully build up a bit of a buffer on the 2 months that we don't pay the council tax, if that makes sense. So those £400 just build up. They don't hang around for long because things are always cropping up, but that's the idea behind it. Same with the extra £50, it's just into the pot. Okay, last month I gave myself £500 on my Monzo. If you guys follow my TikTok, you know that I did not manage to stick to my budget last month. This month I'm going to try and be a bit more realistic and give myself £675 on my Monzo. This is because I have to buy an outfit for my cousin's wedding as well, which is in 2 weeks, so I desperately need to get on that. And I'm giving myself like £150 budget. I never really buy new clothes. It's like a really big family event and I want to make sure that I feel comfortable in what I'm wearing, so hopefully I can find something soon. £11 is my Canva, which I literally only use to add text to these videos that you're watching right now, and do my YouTube thumbnails. One day when I'm making enough money, this will become a business expense. My phone is actually £72 now. I don't want to hear anything about it, okay? Netflix, £16, I haven't cancelled anything. Apple, £9. I do think that is over on my credit card, which Nick is clearing off at the moment because he's using it, but whatever. Savings and investments. My ISA took a big hit after that 6k law bill, but I am still planning to put my little £200 in this month. As I said, at the moment Nick is primarily using the credit card, but because I put that SEMA thing on my credit card, I am going to put in £150 towards it. You'll notice that teeth is still here. I did have a dentist appointment last month, and when I got this bad news about the 6k legal bill, I was in such a fluster, I totally forgot to go to my appointment. Packed the baby up in the car, went to Legoland. I was 10 minutes from my appointment when I realised. Phoned my dentist on Bluetooth in the car and was like, I'm so sorry, my appointment's in 10 minutes, and they said they're going to charge me 50 quid. It's totally my fault. I was like, fine. So the appointment hasn't happened, so I haven't actually paid them yet, but they will charge me an extra £50. So it's really good that I budgeted enough to cover for that, because I don't think it's actually £250. I think the filling's like 160, but I left a bit of a leeway, which is good because they're charging me more. And because of all my financial struggles at the moment, I did cancel my hygienist appointment. It just seemed like a luxury. Next up, another bad financial thing I did this month, like 2 days ago, I got us a parking ticket. I literally just got paid this morning and I've already paid this parking ticket. It was £55. I think it's the first parking ticket I've ever had. So that's how I'm budgeting my salary this month. The only big events I have coming up are my cousin's wedding, as I said. We are going on holiday in August. I haven't planned any kind of sinking funds or anything for that yet. I'm hoping I can side hustle a bit more before then. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I'm so sorry that I haven't made more videos. That £500 spend video of like how I spent my Monzo money last month, I have started prepping for. I might try and film it right now. But my monthly budget video, at least I'm consistent on one thing, you know. I don't think one video a month is enough to successfully grow a YouTube channel. This is my current stats for monetization. My watch hours just are not going up because as old videos fall off and I post new videos, it's at the same rate. I'm not growing in watch hours. So if you've made it this far in the video, thank you especially. And yeah, hope to see you in another video very soon. Bye.